Hi, I'm Jonathan with Pack Leader USA, and today we'll be talking about the PRO-625 front and back labeler with optional wrap station. A quick overview on the machine. I'm going to go over the components. We've got our conveyor that brings the products through the labeling heads. You've got your indexing wheel that creates separation between the products. Your chain aligners that center the product on a front and back to make sure that the labels are applied accurately. You've got your top hold down that puts pressure on the product. Label head A and label head B that dispenses the labels. And on this machine we've got the optional wrap station, which will do a round bottle and it'll spin it as it goes through. And then your color touchscreen control that controls all these components. Okay, once your machine is in line, it's important that you go ahead and adjust your leveling pads, not only to match the height of your current conveyor, but also to level it out so your labeling application is very accurate. To do that, you're going to lower this down, put a level on your conveyor, make sure that everything's level on the machine, and then there is a set nut under here that you're going to want to tighten so that everything is stable and secure. All right, now we're going to talk about the controls and the electronics in the cabinet of the Pro Series labeling equipment. After you remove the door, you can actually slide this out to give you easy access to all the controls. The first VFD here controls the conveyor. The next VFD here is going to control your chain aligners. This VFD will control your wrap station. And then you have two stepper drives. One controls label head A, the other controls label head B, and your transformer. We recommend 220 volt single phase running to the machine. It needs to be a dedicated line on your circuit breaker going all the way back to the box. No other equipment should be on this line so that your machine can run as efficient as possible. You have your power supply here, which supplies 24 volts to your board and then also your sensors. And you've got your servo driver that controls the top hold down servo motor. This VFD here controls your indexing or spacing wheel that creates the separation between the bottles, and your fuse panel here. If you have any issues with any of the components not working properly, I would always check the fuse panel to see if one of those fuses has popped. You also have two PLCs, one for label head A, one for label head B, and you've got two PCB boards as well as your EMI filter to clean up the power.